feels like ages now since I was last in the Philippines, even though it was earlier this year that I was there. Despite me being used to life in the UK again, there are definitely still things I miss about the Philippines while being in the UK. I've talked about some of these already on other videos, but here are some more. This has become a bit of a series now on my channel. The first thing I miss about the Philippines is my barber there. In general, the barbers in the Philippines are very reasonable, but not only this, they also give great quality haircuts, at least from my experience. And I found a really good barber in my local area that I was staying in the Philippines. Meanwhile, in the UK, barbers are just too overpriced, and I don't even like the cuts as much here as I do in the Philippines. Next thing is the street food, or shall I say tusok-tusok. Specifically the dugo and isaw as well, I really loved there. And I've never really found anything like that in the UK. But it's not just the taste that I miss, it's the convenience. Bearing in mind, I was only staying in a village, but I just needed to walk out from my house there, and there was street food right along the road. And that's just a convenience that you don't get in the UK when it comes to these types of snacks. The last thing I miss is the hospitality. I know it's become a bit of a cliche or stereotype that Filipinos are very hospitable, but it's so true, and definitely something I miss about the Philippines while being in the UK.